Hello and a very warm welcome back to another video here on the channel. And today we are looking at probably one of the most common topics in geotechnical engineering. We are looking at geotech site characterization, and specifically we'll be looking at what I like to call the dusting stage. If you have a degree in any of the engineering fields like environmental, civil, geotech, mining, or any of those related subject areas, you must have heard about site characterization. It's a really popular topic area, and the literature on it is fairly common. So today what I'm going to do will be more practical than theoretical. And for us as geotechnical engineers, it's probably one of the most important parts of our daily work routines, right? Because I know we do all these other fancy stuff. We design all these cool deep foundations, groundwater and soil control systems. But all of those things begin with how well you characterize your site. And that's simply the reason why this is such an important and very common topic area. And when I say this is where it all starts, it doesn't just mean for you, the geotech. You have to think about all of the other parts of a full executed project that depend on your input as a geotech, right? Think about all of these nice roadways and intersections like these, and the civil engineers who are designing them, or even town planners. Like sometimes you have to convert a abandoned mine site into maybe a children's park or something, or even architects, right? They think up all of these beautiful designs, and it's all of those designs have to come to reality somehow. And you, as a geotech, your site characterization is the first step of converting all of these beautiful dreams into reality, right? And so it's very important for you to know what you are doing when you set out to perform a site characterization. And so the whole procedure of site characterization, it will normally be divided into stages. And these stages, the divisions depend on who is presenting them. But generally, this is kind of what those divisions will look like. You have an initial stage where you do mostly deck study and stuff before you actually go out to the site and do any detailed study. Maybe you bring back some samples for lab analysis and then interpret your results. So that's kind of like the skeleton of what your whole site characterization will look like. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this initial um, first part, the initial stage, those bullet points there, how to use Google Earth Pro to help you in performing all those activities. All right. Now, the reason I call it dusting is just simple. It's like that's the first thing you do. When you have your site, you go out there, get the dust off of your site, and then you can start working on it. And Google Earth Pro is a really useful tool that can help you get this done. And that's what the focus of this video is going to be. Now, I realize there's a lot of information, a lot of things that I have to show you. So what I'm going to do is break down these videos into several short videos. So for this first one, I'm just going to do an introduction, which I have done, and then I'm going to show you how to get Google Earth installed on your laptop. And it's the beautiful thing is it's a free software. You don't have to pay. Just go online, download it, install it on your computer, and you're all ready to go. So stick with me here in a second. I'm going to pull up a browser and then show you how to get it installed. And the videos after that will get into how to actually use it to plan your initial stages of site characterization. All right, so I pulled up my browser here, and all I did was type Google Earth in the search engine, and hopefully your search engine is Google, and it will return results similar to this. And if you just come to this first one here, click on it, and when it loads up here, you come to the Add Versions tab, and when that loads, you come to Google Earth Pro on desktop. Click on that. It brings you to the download option. I already have this downloaded and installed on my computer, so I'm just going to show you. If you click on this, it will ask for some permissions, accept them, and then download it. And once it's done, you can just go through your regular installation procedure to have it installed on your computer. Okay, I already have it installed, so I'll show you, but then I'll cancel the download. And then we'll open it up, and it should be what it looks like once you have it installed, and then we can work our way from there. If you've successfully installed Google Earth Pro, when you open it up, it should look something like this. And this should be good enough for this video. In the next video, we'll look at all of these down here, places, your layers, and then we'll get into actually using Google Earth to do all of those initial stage activities. So thank you for watching this video. Turn on notifications so that as soon as I release the continuation of this video, you'll be notified. And also share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it already. Thank you again for all of the support. I hope you guys are staying safe out there, and enjoy the rest of your day or your evening. Thank you.